Virginia Amber Alert.
Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children's Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Louisa County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred on January 10th, 2021. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at a residence in Louisa
Turn
County,
this up.
Virginia. Abducted
No, switch this to WETA.
male, blonde hair and blue eyes, 7 months old, 1 foot 8 inches tall.
There we go.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
To been abducted by Lauren Lloyd, a white female with red hair, blue eyes, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds. She was last seen driving a 2008 white Honda Accord with Virginia registration UJY 6994. For further information, contact the Louisa County Sheriff's Office at 540-967-1234 or visit www.vaamberalert.com.
The upper 40s to low 50s. So pretty much a carbon copy of today.